Many of us can use stylish font in Microsoft Word and some people can't. So today I will show how to download and install our favorite font and use it in Microsoft Office and Photoshop or Illustrator. So for this, go to Google and search here stylish font download. Then we can see many websites and that have thousands of fonts. We can download any favorite font. I'm downloading a font. I think I'll download Comica Zoom font. So I search Comica Zoom font and download this. Okay, it's downloaded. Now we go to download folder and extract here. Now open extracted file and install it. Now come back to Microsoft Word and type anything. Select Comica Zoom font from here. Now we can see that we can use the font of our choice in the word processor. In this way we can use any font in Microsoft, Photoshop, Illustrator, etc. This video is definitely useful, so like this and subscribe.